In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartsheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or just need a refresher, we'll cover everything you need to know to begin your journey with this powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Smartsheet website. Once there, you'll want to keep an eye out for options such as try Smartsheet for free or get started. These options offer you the opportunity to explore Smartsheet's features without any initial commitment. Taking advantage of the free trial is a great way to get a feel for everything the platform offers. You can test out the tools at your own pace and see how they might fit into your workflow. Next, it's time to create an account. The process is pretty straightforward. To register, you'll typically need to provide your email address and set up a password. This registration will give you access to either a free trial or a paid plan, depending on your choice. Remember, your email and password are your key to accessing Smartsheet, so make sure your password is secure but memorable. Once your account is created, you can easily log into the Smartsheet web application using your newly minted credentials. This is where the real Smartsheet experience begins. With your login set, you can start exploring the interface and getting acquainted with its layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, but take your time navigating through the features. The more familiar you become, the more efficiently you'll be able to use the platform. If you're accessing Smartsheet as a free user, you won't be able to create your own sheets, but fear not. You can still participate in collaborations. You'll have access to sheets shared by licensed users, allowing you to contribute and collaborate seamlessly. This can be incredibly useful for working on team projects or simply getting a feel for how Smartsheet handles data and collaboration. Should you opt for a paid plan, a whole world of possibilities opens up. With a paid plan, you can create new sheets, modify columns, and utilize all of Smartsheet's extensive features. This is ideal for individuals or teams who need robust project management capabilities. From setting up complex project timelines to managing resources and workflows, the paid version offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help keep everything running smoothly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Smartsheet. Whether you opt for a free account or dive into a paid plan, Smartsheet's flexible platform can adapt to your business needs, making project management more efficient and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Smartsheeting.